This is an ovary, and this is an ovary of someone with PCOS, noticing the multiple follicles. Let me explain how vitamin D is essential for this ovary to function properly. Vitamin D enters the body and is converted into calcitriol. Calcitriol enters our cells, binds to a vitamin D receptor, forming a complex. This complex binds to a section of our DNA, which turns our genes up or down, influencing the function of the cell. Here's how it relates to PCOS. 60 to 80% of people with PCOS are vitamin D deficient. With a deficiency, we will see a disruption at the cellular level, starting with the ovary. Part of the issue we have with PCOS is with the follicles stalling out in their growth, not becoming large enough to ovulate. The follicle is not receiving enough or responding well to follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. This is where vitamin D plays a role. In the PCOS ovary, this vitamin D receptor complex can be found in the granulosa cells of the follicle, influencing the number of FSH receptors available, allowing for more opportunity for the follicle to receive the FSH signal in hopes of getting the follicle to grow large enough to ovulate. This is why we can see improvements in ovulation and cycle regularity when we correct for vitamin D deficiencies in PCOS. On the metabolic side, this vitamin D receptor complex can be found in the beta cells of our pancreas, the cells responsible for producing insulin. Vitamin D helps to regulate the secretion of insulin from the beta cells while protecting them from inflammatory damage commonly seen with insulin resistance. In the muscle, the vitamin D receptor complex can influence the number of insulin receptors, allowing for more opportunity for glucose to be pulled from the bloodstream into the muscle. This is why we may see improvements in insulin resistance when we correct for vitamin D deficiencies. Send this to someone who would like this visual.